Day 2 was a fail. Yeah, this is gonna be a very short video. Day 2 was a fail. Yeah. It's so interesting how you can plan for like something in a day and then things just go wrong. But yeah, day 2, I wasn't able to, not even to design the CAD model, nor even 3D print. I woke up pretty early, had an engineering meeting. After that, I went to the residence or citizen's office to get my residence permit, which now I can officially stay a year in Deutschland. But after that, I decided to go to my university, which is like an hour and a half away from me. And I went all the way over there just to find out that the 3D printer, one of the 3D printers were broken and the rest were all being used. And I couldn't even use the 3D printer, so I'm like, oh, scheisse. And I'm like, okay, I'll come back early in the morning tomorrow. So after that, I went to the gym, which was another hour and a half back just to go to the gym. Did my workout, left, had me some dinner, and then I just went to sleep. Yeah, day 2 was a fail. I'll try again day 3. And for day 3, my plan is just to create a CAD model and then start 3D printing.